116 this kanji. So here is number or order. This kanji like that the stroke of this kanji here first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Here again 1, 2. Here sometimes here this is also we can give first, then this one again first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and here that's one. This is the first and second, third, and this way. So this is the order of that kanji. And the sound of the kanji is ban. It is one sound, only ban. B-A-N, only one sound, ban. Ban, that means a number or order. The meaning of that kanji. Even here, bango. Bango. Bango, bango, number, bango, bango, number. The meaning of that kanji, of that word, the number. Here is number, bango, and ban, only for ban. Ban indicate the number order. Ban indicate the number order, like that. Sun ban, that means number 3. The English is number 3, that's called sun ban. Number 2, niban. Number 5, goban. So like that, bango, number. So bang, actually the use of as a number. This is the main function, number. So here if you write sun ban, humo, sun ban, humo no, then kuchirawa, then sha, or here is then sha, then this is sha. So then sha wa Tokyo. So here is Tokyo e ikimasu. Here is e, ikimasu. Sun ban homo no densha wa, kore e, ikimasu.